Hey, I just want to share this cool application I have for my system. So I'm currently working on integrating a lot of tools into my orchestral agents, and right now I'm working on a web scraping tool to mimic the functionality of ChatGPT's web search. And the sort of most basic way to do web scraping is just to use Beautiful Soup and write a function like this, which just gets a requests that URL's content and processes it in some very simple way. The thing is that if you're doing anything more complicated than basically example.com, you get kind of really bad outputs. So in particular, I want to be able to use this thing for research. So I would like it to be able to make sense of a page with some more complicated stuff on it, something like these equations. So here's a kind of pretty math-heavy page that's also got a lot of navigation and other stuff sort of cluttering up the page, as well as all this. So none of this is really useful content. So it seemed like this might be a really nice application to have a little tool LLM do some of the heavy lifting in turning this mess. I'll show you what it looks like when you scrape it. You get something like this. So it does not handle the equations well, and it's, like I said, kind of unreadable. Now, sure, you could do some more basic kinds of processing on it, but it seems like a really good application to just throw this into some small LLM like 4.0 Mini. So I've just written this little prompt here. I'll just show you. And of course, we're just telling it to disregard extraneous information and then format it in Markdown and LaTeX. And the cool thing I really want to show off is basically how easy it is to do this. So basically in one line I can define my model object, and in another line this prompt function thing abstracts all the boilerplate of formatting this in a message that can be accepted by the LLM and then making the call to the API. It also handles the API keys as well very nicely. So this gets turned into this. This is the output.